We're going back to the moon, so you're going to create the SLS rocket using Blender in about 2 minutes. And the best part is that you can download this 3D model for free right now, using the links below. So download Blender if you don't have it already, and let's create the SLS rocket using Blender. Create a new file, delete everything, import a reference image of the rocket, and set it up. Then we will create a cylinder mesh with 8 vertices, and scale it properly to fit the core stage. Select the bottom vertices, extrude down and scale inwards. Now select the vertices at the top and extrude upwards. Extrude and scale inwards, extrude up again, extrude up and scale inwards, extrude up and scale inwards again, then finish the launch abort system. Now we can create a new cylinder mesh to start working on the solid rocket booster. Scale to fit, then extrude the bottom and scale outwards. Extrude down again and scale inwards, then extrude down and scale outwards. Now select the points at the top and extrude up and scale inwards to create the aerodynamic cone. Then duplicate the entire solid rocket booster mesh and move it to the location of the second one. Now we will create a cube mesh to connect the boosters to the core stage. Scale it to fit the size, then duplicate the mesh to the next position and fix any scaling issues. Now we will create a new cylinder mesh to make the RS-25 rocket engines. Extrude the bottom vertices down and scale out. Add a loop cut to make it curve better. Now duplicate the mesh so that there are 4 engines. Then we can start adding loop cuts to important areas of the mesh so that we can properly assign the materials onto the mesh. I'm going to add and duplicate some cylinder meshes for the launch abort system. And now we can start working on the materials. The core stage will be a nice orange, and the rest of the rocket along with the solid rocket boosters will be white. The RS-25 engines and the solid rocket boosters will be black. And you've created the SLS rocket using Blender. Remember that you can download this 3D model for free right now, using the links below. Like and subscribe if this helps you. Thanks for watching, and Godspeed Artemis 2.